Good morning, grade 4 learners. Welcome to another edition of Valenzuela Science for Life, where science is at its best. I am Mr. John Ray Donato, a teacher at Rincon Elementary School. Come and explore more on Science 4. Let us do our first activity. I want everybody to close their eyes and just listen to what I will say. And if I ask question, you can open your eyes and you may write your answer on the comment box. And if you're done, close your eyes again. What color do you see? Good. Black or dark? Now, I want you to hold a pencil while your eyes is still closed. Is it easy to find a pencil while your eyes are closed? Correct. It is hard to find and you cannot really identify if the one you are holding is a pencil. Now, you can open your eyes and tell me what is the feeling of seeing a totally dark. Maybe some of you are frightened or afraid. Some might feel terrible or even scared because they cannot see anything, only darkness. This is how important light is. What do we mean by light? Light or visible light commonly refers to electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye. What is the common source of light? Correct! It is the sun. But still, there are plenty of sources of light, like moon at night, flashlights, light bulb, laser, and many more. And to understand more about light, let us watch this video. Now, let us see if you really watched our video. Kindly put your answer in the comment box. Let's start with number 1. What is the smallest unit of visible light? Great! It is photon. Let us try the next one. What do you call the objects that allow light to pass through? Terrific! It is transparent objects. How about the objects that didn't allow the light to pass through? Amazing! It is opaque objects. Let's go to the next one. What do you call the objects that allow partial light to pass through? Fantastic answer. It is translucent. Now, let us identify if the following objects as transparent, translucent, and opaque. Write your answer on the comment box. Let's try number 1. A clear glass bottle. Correct. It is transparent. How about the next one? Mirror. Good job. It is opaque. Let's try the third one. Empty colored bottle. Great! It is translucent. How about the fourth one? Matte. Terrific! It is opaque. How about the last one? Water. Amazing! It is transparent. I think you really watch and understand the video. Now, let us go to the next activity, where we will identify how the light travels. Experiment time!
So here I have some materials that I can use to demonstrate something very important about light. This is just a cardboard box. I've cut away this side so it's easier to see inside of it, and I put these 3 white dots along the back. That'll help with our discussion later. I also took a screwdriver and just punched a hole in the front of the box. You'll notice that right now I have that hole covered up so that no light can get through. Here I have a red Christmas light, and when I touch this red Christmas light to the 9-volt battery, it shines very brightly. Now I took these and I set them up like you see here. Now here's the question. When I uncover the hole, where will the dot of red light appear? Will it appear on that top white dot, the middle one, or the bottom one? Where will the red light appear? Take a minute, discuss that with your classmates, and be sure that you can explain your answer. Now it's very important that you understand that light always travels in a straight line. Even when I have a light bulb like this, all of the rays of light are still traveling in a straight line. It's just that a light bulb is shooting out rays of light in every single direction. You can kind of see that here. Notice that all of the light is traveling in a straight line out of the light bulb, but only some of that light is able to make it through the hole in the box. So to predict where the red light will land, what I need to do is draw a straight line from the light bulb and through the hole, and then keep drawing that straight line all the way to the back of the box. That will show me where the light that's traveling in a straight line through the hole will land on the back of the box. And here, in this situation, we would predict that that dot of red light would appear on that top white dot. And in fact, when we uncover the hole and we let the light shine, that's exactly what we see. That red light appears on that top white dot. That's because that light was traveling in a straight line. I'm sure this is the answer that you and your classmates came up with. Keep up the great work. I'll see you next time. So here I have some lights that I've arranged into the shape of an arrow using this box. And here I have a box and I've cut off one side and put a hole in it, and then this white piece of paper back here will act like a screen so that when light goes through this hole, I can see it better on the back side of the box. But when I turn on these lights and shine it through this hole, something very interesting happens. Here you can see that the image of the arrow is pointing down. But when I pan over to look at the actual lights themselves, the lighted arrow is pointing up. The image on the inside of the box was upside down. So here's your question. Why does that happen? Why does the image on the inside of the box look upside down? Take a minute, discuss that with your classmates, and I'll be back to talk about the answer. So the image inside the box appears upside down for a very simple but important reason. And this is a fact that you really need to understand about light. Light travels in a straight line. So when the light has to go through this tiny hole, you can see here that the light from the top of the arrow goes through the hole in a straight line and ends up at the bottom of the box. The light from the bottom of the arrow goes through the hole in a straight line and ends up towards the top of the box. So the image appears upside down because light is traveling in a straight line. This is actually something that happens to images anytime light has to travel through a tiny hole, whether that's in a box, in a camera, or even in your eye. I'm sure that's something that you and your classmates came up with. Keep up the great work. I'll see you next time.
Now, let us try if you understand how light travels. Write true if the statement is correct, and false if it is not correct. Let's try number 1. Light travels in a straight line. Very good. It is true. How about the next one? The light that strikes a thick cardboard bends and find another way to pass through it. Great! It is false. Let's try the third one. Light rays could not be black, and they could pass through all types of materials. Terrific answer! It is false. How about the next one? A laser is a narrow but powerful beam light capable of traveling far distances on a straight line. Fantastic answer! It is true. Now, let us sum it up by completing these statements. Kindly put your answer on the comment box. Choose your answer on the box below. Let us try it now. Light always travels in a blank line when going through a blank medium. In blank, light travels quickly, while in blank, light travels slowly. Blank is a form of energy. And here are the answers. Light always travels in a straight line when going through a single medium. In air, light travels quickly, while in solid, light travels slowly. Light is a form of energy. Kindly check if your answers are correct. Then let us read the statement. Light always travels in a straight line when going through a single medium. In air, light travels quickly, while in solid, light travels slowly. Light is a form of energy. Very good. Now, let us try to answer the selection. Kindly put your answer on the comment box. Let's try number 1. How does light travel? A. Straight line. B. Curved line. C. Visible line. Or D. Diagonal line. Correct. It is A. Straight line. Let us try the second one. In which medium can light travels quickly? A. Solids. B, liquids, C, air, or D, all of the above? Good job! It is C, air. How about the next one? Why can you see most objects? A, they absorb light. B, they emit light. C, light reflects off them. Or D, light refracts to them. Great! It is letter C. Light reflects off them. How about the fourth one? A person will see a flash of lightning before they hear thunder because A, thunder occurs later than lightning. B, light travels faster than sound. C, sound travels faster in atmosphere. Or D, none of the above. Terrific answer! It is B. Light travels faster than sound. Let us go to the last one. Which of the following is not an artificial light? A. Sun. B. Lighthouse. C. Fluorescent. Or D. Lit candle. Amazing! The correct answer is A. Sun. I hope you learned a lot today. Wait for the instruction of your teacher on what to answer in your module. And here are my references. Well, I got my topic. See you next time. Always keep in mind, in science, we explore, we create, and we are amazing! Keep safe and God bless you always. Bye-bye!